Okay, hello, I'm Ko Xiang Hui from class TE08. I'm here to present my Excel presentation. Okay, so for question number 1, as you can see, my table of values are here, my x values, my x squared values, and my x squared plus bx values. And as you can see, my values in the table will change according to different values. Let's say my b is equal to 3. As you can see, the values in this table here will change according with it. And the graph will also change with it. And I've inserted the graph by shift clicking this whole entire table and inserted a recommended graph here, and it will change according to my different b input and my different c inputs. So for question number 3, the discriminant very simply is b squared minus 4ac. I'll explain it further later on. And as you can see now, I have two complex and distinct solutions. So if I change my b input, let's say b equals to 5, I'll get two different two real and distinct solutions. And if I change both into 0, as you can see, I'll have one real and equal solution. Okay, time for question number 4. So question number 4 states that the completed square form of x squared plus bx plus c is bx plus b over 2 whole thing squared plus c minus b squared over 4. So inside here, inside the square, there's b over 2. So for using our functions knowledge from chapter number 2, we can see that positive b inputs will cause the graph to shift to the left by b over 2, and negative b inputs will cause the graph to shift to the right by b over 2. And also, for the constant part of the equation here, c minus b squared over 4, if it is positive, it will shift upwards. If it is 0, it will not shift at all. And it will not shift up or downwards, it will just stay the same. And if c minus b squared over 4 is less than 0 or negative, it will shift downwards. So this will show how the graph is impacted with different c and b inputs. Okay, so for question number 5, so the discriminant is where it gets interesting. Discriminant is your b squared minus 4ac, right? So if you cross-reference it to the quadratic formula, you can see that it is inside the square root. So if b squared minus 4ac is positive, you'll get a positive square root. So negative b plus minus a positive number over 2a, you'll just get two real and distinct solutions because of the plus minus. But if your square root is 0, you'll be negative b plus minus 0, which is just negative b. So negative b over 2a, that will be your only solution if your discriminant is 0. But if your discriminant is less than 0, you'll get a negative inside a square root, so you have a complex number naturally. So it'll be negative b plus minus a complex number over 2a. So from there, you'll get two distinct and complex solutions to a quadratic formula. For the quadratic equation. And this follows the fundamental theorem of algebra, which states that for polynomial of n degree, there'll be n number of solutions. And since a quadratic equation is polynomial degree 2, you have two solutions every time. Thank you for listening to me. Have a great day ahead.